Trident 3-1, Poseidon, ISR has squirter moving from target building. Roger, combat action dog released and squirter has been detained. Continue mission. Trident 3-1, this is Poseidon. A-firm, target secured, conducting TQ and SSC.
Once the target is secure and all intel has been gathered, the SEALs will patrol to a safe area far away from the target and make ready for extract. Whether walking to or walking away from the targets, SEAL Squad will remain hyper-vigilant and ready to bring the full spectrum of combat power to bear in order to achieve their mission success.
Copy.
This is Trident 3-1. We are troops in contact. Insurgents engaging our elements with PKM fire. We're moving to cover. Request close air support this time.
Trident 3-1, you are approved for close air support. Rotary wing asset en route your position. Call sign crazy.